The benefits of fresh air circulation in your home. Dear friends, it has become an act of human nature to open our windows and doors every morning and allow the fresh air to seep into our homes or office space. No matter the weather or temperature, and it can often be instantly refreshing, but is there a reason why we do this? Are there any benefits other than the short-lived satisfaction of an uplifting wave of cool air being blown through the room? The answer is yes, there is a benefit. In fact, there are several. Banish that stale air. One of the first and possibly most apparent benefits we think of, and the reason in which we partake in this action daily, is to remove any stagnant air. Overnight, we may close our windows or pull shut our curtains and blinds, trapping the air inside the room. We will then inhale and exhale this through the night, causing the levels of oxygen to decrease. The act of opening windows and doors first thing in the morning will encourage any used air to remove itself whilst a fresh dose of clean and heavily oxygenated air enters. Eliminate the dust. Similar to the action of getting rid of that stagnant air, opening doors and windows will also help to remove excess dust particles. We know, hoovering can do this for you, but it isn't practical to hoover your bed sheets, chairs, sofas, and cushions daily. Shaking out your sheets and bashing out the cushions and sofas will allow dust particles to loosen, and the open windows will act as their own vacuum, sucking the loose particles out of your room. Increase your concentration. Perfect for office spaces, opening your windows have been proven to increase your levels of concentration. With a fresh flow of oxygen entering the workspace, you can be sure to feel refreshed and awoken, allowing you to get your head down and start effective work on that deadline that is fast approaching. Remove that mold. As we know, molds are attracted to growth in warm, damp spaces. The corner of your office space, living room, or even bedroom could be the perfect condition for these irritants. A fresh breeze is enough to dry up any damp or moistened spots and cool every inch of the room with the outside air, and over time, it will remove the possibility of further mold growth. Eradicate those odors. The classic office-based nightmare of someone cooking last night's fish for lunch, or the dull odor of a bedroom after a sleep through a hot and stuffy summer night are the scents that we wish could vanish as soon as they are identified, and it is simple. Open those windows and let the air do its thing. It will be eradicated in no time, leaving a freshly aired, odorless room. To eliminate and prevent these issues from increasing, you may feel as though you'll be needing to keep those doors and windows open all day long. However, this is not always the case. For example, if you have a fitted air conditioning system, a fast spout of fresh air could be all that is required to exterminate those stenches and remove those dust particles. Your air conditioning unit will then work to circulate this fresh air around your home or office space throughout the day, allowing you to close the windows when the temperature is at a low, or when pollen is at a high throughout the warmer months, preventing you from freezing and sneezing. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For getting more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer AJ Ladd's channel How to Make My House.